Hello student, I am Amit. In this video we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 2.2 of chapter exponent. So question number 7, a special weighing balance can weigh something as 0.0000000001 gram. Express the given number in standard form. Clear? So weight of something is 0.00000001 gram. So how can we convert it into a standard form? As we have already seen in the previous video. Let's count from left to right. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Clear? So we have 1.0 into 10 power minus 9. माइनस में इसलिए क्योंकि हम लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव कर रहे हैं. ग्राम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में मैंने इसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया. क्लियर? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. इन अ स्टैक देयर आर 5 बुक्स ऑफ 700 पेजेस. If the thickness of each book is 0.000075 meter, find the total thickness of stack and write your answer in the standard form. Write your answer in the standard form. Clear? So the thickness of each page is equals to 0.000075 meter. Clear? Thickness of each page is equals to 0.000075 meter. Thickness of a book weighing 700 pages. Thickness of a book having 700 pages equals to 700 into 0.000075. Clear? So thickness of stack having 5 books equals to 5 into 700 into 0.000075 meter. 5 into 700 we get 3500 and we convert it into a standard form. We get 7.5 into 10 power minus 5. ओके, कोई प्रॉब्लम है नहीं. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं आपको पता है. काउंट करोगे आप लेफ्ट टू राइट तो 1 2 3 4 5 we have 7.5 into 10 power minus 5. Now here we have, after converting it into a standard form, we get 3.5 into 10 power 3. 3.5 multiplied by 7.5 we get 26.7525, and 10 power 3 multiplied with 10 power minus 2 we get 10 power minus 2. Sorry, 10 power 3 multiplied by 10 power minus 5 we get 10 power minus 2. After solving we get 2.625 into 10 power minus 1 meter. Clear? Okay. Now question number 9. The speed of a light in a vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. The sunlight takes about 8 minutes to reach the earth. Express the distance of sun from earth in standard form. So distance of earth from sun equals to, we know that distance equals to speed into time. Speed of light 3 into 10 power 8 and time taken equals to 8 minutes. Now convert 8 minutes into a second. We get 8 into 60. So 3 into 10 power 8 cross 480. After solving 3 into 10 power 8, 480 can be written as 4.8 into 10 power 2. 4.8 multiplied by 3 we get 14.4 into 10 power 10 into 10 power 10. Clear? So ये हमारा आंसर आ गया. या आप इसको इस फॉर्मेट में लिख सकते हो कि 14.4 into 10 power 10 मीटर और 1.44 into 10 power 11 meter. Clear? So this is the distance of earth, approx distance of earth from sun. Clear? Now question number 10. In 2019, the population of India was approximately 1.31 into 10 power 9. Express this population in usual form. How would you say this number in word? Okay, in 2019 में population, जो इंडिया की population थी वो इतनी थी. अब आपको इसको यूजुअल फॉर्म में लिखना है, फिर आपको इसको वर्ड में भी लिखना है कि एक्चुअल में ये वैल्यू है कितनी. सो पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया 1.31 into 10 power 9 means if we convert this standard form into a usual form we get 131,000,000,000. Clear? Now इन वर्ड फॉर्म मीन्स आपको देखिए यहाँ पर दो, एक इंडियन सिस्टम होता है, एक इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम होता है. इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में मैंने इसको कन्वर्ट किया है. तो इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में इसको वर्ड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो कैसे लिखेंगे 1,310,000,000. सो आप ऐसे लिखोगे. सो पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया इन 2019 was 1,310,000,000. Okay. We will solve exercise 2.3 in the next video. Thank you.